At what age did you discover that the hole in the middle of the spoon works as a pasta measuring tool? It's a handy trick to calculate the exact portion per person. Today I'm going to cook for 2 people. The pasta is already cooking. Meanwhile, in another skillet, I'll turn on the heat to prepare the rest of the recipe. Now I'm going to add the meat. Here I have about 18 ounces of meat, already cut into thin strips, perfect for this kind of dish. I'll fry this meat really well, because we're going to make a delicious and super easy pasta with meat recipe, perfect for any day. It's a really quick recipe. Ideal for those who want flavor and convenience in the kitchen without any fuss. I've already fried the meat, now let's season it. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, which gives it a special touch, and 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, which adds color and mild flavor. The meat is ready, so I turn off the heat. I carefully remove all the meat from the skillet and set it aside in a bowl for later use. In the same skillet, no need to wash it, I'll add 1 chopped onion, 3 cloves of garlic, also chopped. They'll be very flavorful, and 1 carrot sliced into thin rounds. I saute everything really well until the ingredients are nicely golden and start to soften. Now that they're well sauteed, I add 1 chopped ripe tomato, half a chopped green bell pepper, which adds freshness to the dish, and a pinch of salt to balance all the flavors. I let it cook a little longer, stirring constantly so nothing burns or sticks to the bottom of the pan. Then I turn off the heat and set this mixture aside. I add 1 cup of water at room temperature, about 5.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, which adds a deep salty flavor, and also 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to thicken the mixture. Mix everything using a whisk, stirring well until the cornstarch dissolves completely and there are no lumps. It's important that no lumps remain. This way we get a smooth and well-blended sauce. I pour this mixture into the skillet and let it boil until it thickens, always stirring to prevent sticking. Look how creamy the sauce becomes, ideal for mixing with the pasta. Now I add the drained pasta, cooked al dente and ready to absorb the full flavor of the dish. And I also add the meat we had set aside. Mix all the ingredients well and let it cook for about 2 more minutes. Just enough time for everything to blend perfectly. I've mixed everything perfectly. The dish is ready. Our pasta turned out delicious, colorful, and very appetizing. I turn off the heat. And now all that's left is to serve this pasta. So tasty and aromatic, perfect to enjoy with family. I'll serve myself a good portion, because this recipe is best enjoyed. Nice and hot, straight out of the pan, this pasta is truly delicious, with a balance of flavors and a texture that delights from the first bite.